Turn off the lights.
Hey everyone, Random Randy here. It is Valentine's Day, February 14th, 2018, and that means that today I'm going to pick the winner for my 13K views Frozen Heart yarn giveaway. So I'm gonna show you real quick what is up for grabs again. Hi Mr. Kitty, I don't need your help. And then I'm gonna hit go on the computer. I've got it pulled up to a random comment picker so that you don't have to go through and write down everybody's names when you have a bunch of people for a contest. It's absolutely wonderful. I'm so excited and glad that I found it because I was really dreading going through all of the comments and at least copy pasting everybody's name for each separate comment. Well, for each separate person, not comment, because some people we had a little bit of a back and forth conversation because wouldn't you know it, ice cream is an awesome thing that gets people talking. So I'm gonna show you what's up for grabs again real quick, like I said, and then get going with it. So, firstly, this is the mixed fiber bag. I have it separate from the all acrylic, so if anybody has allergy issues or if you're making stuff for charity, nothing's gonna contaminate each other that way. Anyway, crinkle crinkle. Have 2 balls of Peyton's metallic. This is a 63% nylon, 28 acrylic, 9% wool blend. 3 ounces each. There are 2 of these. Next up is Red Heart Boutique Midnight. These are another mixed fiber, 65 acrylic, 23 wool, 6% metallic, 6% nylon. These are both 2.5 ounces, and you get 2 balls of those. I am particularly fond of these. I actually have a set of 4 of these that are in more of an autumn color palette. They're kind of red, orange, brownish, which is pretty awesome. And the last thing in this bag is actually a cotton acrylic blend. It's 50% cotton, 50% acrylic. These are actually a fine weight, a weight 2 yarn. And each ball is 150 grams. These are the Cakes Cotton fine yarns from Ice Yarns. As you can see, it's kind of a couple of different teals and a really pretty burnt orange color in the middle. So that's all of the mixed fibers. Next up is the acrylics. Yay! Got 2 balls of Big Twist Premium in the Premium Royal colorway. And these are, as I said, everything in this bag is acrylic. Boys are awake, if you couldn't tell. I'm hoping to get this done before they run down here and help out, so I'm gonna kind of breeze through this. All right, so 2 balls of this Big Twist Sincerely. They are each 5 ounce skeins. They're 100% acrylic, and this is the blue confetti colorway. Those. Got 2 balls of the Lighthouse Flashy in Space Cadet Blue. It's a bulky weight yarn, and these are actually reflective yarns. So these will be good for anything for somebody who's going to be running, biking, walking to school, whatever. And the last one in here is a Worsted 8. It says Halloween shimmer, but seriously, it's white and silver yarn. Does it really matter what it says it's supposed to be for? I have a Christmas yarn from them that's the exact same thing. It's an 8 ounce ball, it's acrylic metallic, and it is a worsted weight yarn. So that is everything that is up for grabs, and I will be including these 2 bags. These are just, I had a few people comment that these were really, really pretty bags, and I hate to say that I didn't make them or anything, but these are just gift bags from Amazon. If you order anything from there, or if you receive something from there that somebody bought you as a gift and it's gift wrapped, this is what it comes in. I have a giant, a big bag that's this type of bag that has a whole bunch of everything from the boys' birthdays and Christmas all stuffed in there to reuse these bags. So just something that might help people. Anyway, I'm gonna click go on this and we're gonna find out who the winner is. So, start. Rolling. All right. The winner is Chris. I'm sorry if I butcher your last name, but Chris Knobel, Knabel. And they said that butter pecan is their favorite type of ice cream. So Chris, you have 7 days from today, so until next Tuesday, to message me here on YouTube to get me your address, and I will get that sent out to you. If the prize has not been claimed in 7 days' time, I will draw for another winner and we will just keep going until it sticks. So, Chris, you've got 7 days. I will have put your name up along the bottom of the screen. Like I said, in case I annihilated your last name, I'm sorry. So, congratulations on winning the prize, Chris. And don't worry, everybody else, there's going to be another giveaway soon. Probably once I hit 1,000 subscribers, because if you've seen me do any amount of my podcast, then you know that I have a ton of yarn. I don't even have to go shopping to get new yarn to give away. I can just go dive through my stash and pick some themed stuff and I'm good to go. And then I clear out space too, which is always good. So I was planning on doing another regular vlog today, but I have a migraine that's so horrible right now that I can't see out of my right eye and haven't been able to for about an hour now. So yeah, super fun. So I'm gonna get this done and get it all edited and uploaded so everybody will know what's going on, and probably honestly go lay down and close my eyes for half an hour so maybe the throbbing will go away. We can hope. Anyway, thank you so much everybody for watching. Thank you to everybody who has found this channel and who has subscribed. Like I said, there's more giveaways coming and there's always going to be more awesome, fun, free, crafty stuff going down here. Working on the tutorial for Saturday. I'm contemplating a few different things. I'm thinking maybe an amigurumi, thinking possibly the narwhal that I made a while ago that I said I was going to make a tutorial for and never did. Because I do want to make a tutorial for the tank top that I put together, the tank top recipe. However, that is something that will take me multiple days of work to complete, so I'm going to have to film it in parts, so I don't think I'm going to have time to do that this week, maybe for next week. So let me know down here in the comments if there's anything specific you would like me to do a tutorial on. As I said, probably going to go with the narwhal amigurumi just because it's kind of short and it's kind of easy. So that being said, I hope that everyone has an awesome Valentine's Day, whether you're celebrating it alone, as I am. Even though I'm married, my husband is off doing training stuff right now, yay! Or if you are single, if you're with somebody, I hope that you have an awesome day, hope you have an awesome evening, and be safe out there. So everybody take care of yourselves, and I will see you again tomorrow for another video. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all in the next one. Bye!